Hello everyone, 𝗃𝗶𝗰𝗰 this side from EnglishWise. Today we will be discussing why you guys are not getting your desired score in speaking module. As discussed in the previous video, that if you're using the one-line strategy and still not getting the desired score, you might be making those mistakes. If you haven't watched that video, kindly watch that video and then you will understand what I'm talking about in this video. So, you are using the one-line strategy and still not getting the desired score and you're not making any mistakes. So what's the reason? Today, with the help of one of our successful student, I'm going to share the result of that student and I will be discussing in detail what's the exact issue. So this student came to EnglishWise, and before he came to EnglishWise, he was not getting his desired score in speaking module. He's a grade 18 student. He don't have any issues in speaking. So his pitch was great, his fluency was great, pronunciation was great, but he wasn't sure what was the mistake. So here is his score report. As you can see, he has scored 77 in speaking. Okay, the next thing that I checked was the extended speaking and short speaking. So the next question that I asked him, are you using the one-line strategy? He said, yes, I am. Do I need to change that? I was like, no, because in short speaking, he's getting almost 100%. So as you can see, his read aloud and repeat sentences, that is actually a short speaking, was 100%. The problem was extended speaking. It's very low. Now, what is extended speaking? Describe image and retell lecture. Now, many of you might have this question in your mind that describe image and retell lecture, how that is possible? It's so easy. Well, now the AI of Pearson has changed a little bit. Now, how it calculates your score in speaking module, the major factor nowadays is actually fluency. From your read aloud till your retell lecture, the speed needs to be the same. Now, because we are very much used to of the describe image and retell lecture template, we tend to speak fast. So how he was speaking? He was speaking like this. There is a picture in front of me. I've got 40 seconds to talk about this picture. Let me have a closer look at the picture. I can see 1, 2, 3. I can see 4, 5, 6. I can see 7, 8, and 9. You will not be getting your desired score in speaking module if you're speaking like this. So what you have to do is you have to take a significant pause after every sentence. There is a picture in front of me. I've got 40 seconds to talk about this picture. Let me have a closer look at the picture. I can see different numbers, words, and colors in this picture. I can see 1, 2, and 3. I can see 4, 5, and 6. I can see 7, 8, and 9. I can see 10, 11, and 12. Overall, the picture is informative. Same thing applies to your retell lecture as well. So the lecture is about the topic name. I can hear 1, 2, and 3. I can hear 4, 5, and 6. I can hear 7, 8, and 9. I can hear 10, 11, and 12. I can hear 13, 14, and 15. Overall, the lecture was very informative. So the major factor is actually your fluency, guys. Do not forget that. If you guys have great pronunciation, great content, but still not getting the desired score, this is the major thing and very important thing to get your desired score. So he practiced in this format and I will share his score report. He scored 90 in speaking. Okay, so please make sure that you're following this thing. The fluency needs to be same from read aloud till retell lecture. And if your fluency is same throughout this, you can manage to get your desired score. There is no other way around. I hope this helps. If you guys have any question, feel free to ask. We will try to cover in the next video. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.